how to move an expense from one report to another in Expensify. In this video, I'll show you how to move an expense from one report to another in Expensify. So to get started, go ahead and open Expensify into your browser, sign into your account, and head over into the Reports tab. Open the Reports tab, and then from here, go ahead and open that specific report where you have an expense that you want to move to another report. And then go ahead and select that expense, and then click on this button to the top right of your screen, and then click on move expense from here, and then move it into the other report where you want to add it. And then once this report reloads, you'll be able to find that expense added into this report. So let's try reloading this page to be able to check if it has been moved. And as you can see, it has been removed from this report and added to this report. And that is how you can basically move an expense from one report to another. So this feature is actually very helpful if you have misplaced a expense to another report and want to move them to the correct report. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.